Hey guys, it's just me out here. The kids just went in and I figured it'd be cool to show a video I haven't seen online yet, which is just swimming around in the Intex 32 by 16 pool. So this is it. It's all set up. I got the volleyball net up, couple floats, got one of the robotic pool cleaners cleaning. And yeah, it's pretty amazing because like once you're in this thing, I mean, there's no difference between this and a regular pool. It's awesome, man. I'm just swimming some laps, kind of out of breath, but I'll swim around underwater some and just give you a view of it. So I just finished some yard work. I was sweating my face off. Got in and wrestled around with the kids a little bit and sent them packing. And I'm just chilling, man. Cooling off for the day. Gonna knock out some more yard work. So anyways, if you're thinking about getting this thing, I really highly recommend it. It's been awesome and refreshing. We're not to the point where we can get an in-ground pool right now, and this thing has just done fantastic. So highly recommend it.